Replacing a broken screen on a Hewlett-Packard Envy M6 1125DX. As you can see, the screen shattered. I ordered the screen from laptopscreens.com. First thing you want to do is power it off. Remove the battery. When you order your screen, you want to make sure that you look behind the battery or somewhere on the back, and you want to find the model number, the exact model number, so you get the correct screen. I ordered a glossy screen. This is an Envy M6 1125DX. Okay, let's get started. The only tools that you require is a small Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm going to use a caulking knife that I bought at a local hardware store. This tends to work pretty good. You could also use a old gift card or credit card. If you see here, there's a plastic rim around the edge. I'm just going to start removing it. Be careful around the camera. You want to make sure that you don't pull the camera up. It could be taped onto the back of the trim. It's coming off quite easily. There are little clips that hold it in around the perimeter pointing outwards, so you don't really have to worry too much. As long as you're not trying to muscle it too hard, you should be able to get it off fairly easily. But just be careful, you don't want to break the plastic trim. You can hear the clips unsnapping. And work your way from the inside. That's the easiest way. Couple more. Now you can see I got the camera, it's stuck to the back there. So I'll just go ahead and very carefully remove it. Just set that right back down in there. Okay, your trim's off. Now you're going to want to remove 4 screws, 4 small Phillips head screws. You have them here, here, over here, and here. I have a magnetized screwdriver. These screws are very short. You don't want to lose them. Now the screen's ready to come off. I'm going to lay the screen on the keyboard, and here you can see the connector. It's a very fine brass connector. It's got some tape that holds it in place. I'm going to peel that tape up. Try not to get any of the oils from your fingers on it. You can see I got it back there. Now it should just slide right out. There we go. And you can see the screen is broken right down here on the corner. Looks like maybe they had a pin or something in there and they closed it on the pin. purchased the screen again from laptopscreens.com. Total shipped with UPS 3-day select. It was less than $80. By the way, laptop screens come in glossy and matte finish. I ordered a glossy. There is some protective tape on there. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. I'm going to lay the screen down here and start in reverse order. I'm going to pull some of the tape away from there so I got some working room with this little connector. As you can see, I'm going to slide that over there. Just slide this right in there. Should click into place. You can feel it seat. Then there's a little brass clip that goes on top, and it's got two little pins in it. You want to line those in the holes. And tape that down. I'm going to go ahead and pull the rest of this tape here, so that when I set this in place, it'll stick firmly and it won't come unplugged. And I've already unplugged it. Let me try this again. Fully seated. It appears the tape stuck to the tape. Okay. Lay that in place. Push that down. And we're going to put our screws back in. Don't want to tighten it too much. The screws are going directly into plastic, or directly into little brass connectors or steel screws, but those are glued into a plastic frame. This is covered with aluminum. Okay, the screen's back in. Before I go ahead and put the trim back on, I'm going to go ahead and put the battery back in and test it. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Looks like we're good. Beautiful screen. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shut it down. Remove the battery. Make sure your camera's aligned in the correct spot. Lay the trim in place. Squeeze it and snap it back together. Let's go ahead and power this back on, see if we can get it to come up to a login screen. I had many options when purchasing this screen. I chose laptops.com because at Amazon and all the other providers that I found online, they did not offer the 3-year warranty that is offered with this company. Again, the company is laptopscreens.com. Have a great day.